In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare candidates in visual analytics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare candidates and sort of get an understanding of how you can use visual analytics. So in this project, we have 3 candidates, each with very different match scores against the profile that we had. And in this specific project, we have 4 competencies that's been chosen. It's problem solver, planning, good communicator, and influencer. And as you can see, they have different scores, and you can actually hover over the specific score to see what, for instance, in this case, the blue line indicates Rapunzel's score. And you can see that she has a lower score compared to Shrek Shrekson and Timon Pumbaa, which has a score of 8. But you can also see how they compare to each other. And this makes it very easy to compare candidates to each other in a recruitment process, for instance. And this can also be done for the potential score. So this is only for the competency score, but if you use this button up here, you can actually change it to potential score, and you get the data also on the 5-factor test, MAP, and Matrigma, the GMA test, which makes it even more interesting to go in and look into the details. Another feature that's added is that you can actually go into the subscales to compare candidates to each other and see how they are different on the scale agreeableness and how their subscales differ, for instance.